Hi, I'm Corina Haywood. I have been making hats by hand since I took a course in millinery while I was living in New York in the fall of 2001. I love the process of pushing a basic set of parameters to their own limits. For hats, the standards are very simple: to make something that fits and flatters the wearer while expressing the designer's own perspective and creative vision. I use simple equipment and basic head blocks to design my styles. Here is an example of how I make one of my freeform styles. These geometric designs, which are emerging here, form from how the material balances against the lines I pull from the head form. I make my hats using hand sculpting techniques that have been used for centuries. Once the hat has been blocked, I then sew the head ribbon and trim by hand. For my next collection, I would like to include 3 styles that I can put into production using a custom-made crown block from Guy Morris Brown Hat Block Makers in England. I will be able to make 3 hats with 1 crown style: a structured beanie, a tall crowned slouch hat with a medium snap brim, and a medium crowned slouch hat with a large wavy brim. These hats will be cohesive with my other classic freeformed versions of these styles. The slouch hat is a military style of hat originally from Nepal, made from fur felt, that has been adapted to suit the needs of infantry since the 1600s. The beanie has a similar history of adaptation and adoption for its practicality and has been a mainstay of urban fashion since the turn of the century. As a young woman in San Francisco in the 90s, I wore my own beanie low over my ears to ward off predators and the rainy seasons. In the last few decades, I have observed the progression of the way that people style their beanies, culminating in a slouch and toque type of beanie, with the top forming interesting shapes above the crown of the wearer. All of these incarnations of these 2 styles have influenced the 3 hat styles that I would like to make. I will be using high-quality velour and fur felt and a few versions of simple, androgynous, military-inspired trims. The thing I enjoy most about my work is the challenge to communicate my interpretation of history, beauty, style, and art with each new hat style. Thank you.